Diploma in IFRS, which is also called ACCA Dip-IFR, it's a very valuable qualification. We know that IFRS is mandated in more than 100 countries, and many other important economies or big economies are already moving towards IFRS adaptation. Who should be doing this IFRS diploma? If you work in financial accounting and reporting department, whether you are an accountant or a senior accountant or probably a chief accountant or a finance manager, and you have a role in the preparation of your, of the financial statements of your company, then definitely you need to have a very good knowledge in IFRS. And this diploma qualification, it puts you into that position where you can claim that I am, an IFRS expert. So not only that it improves your reputation and your skills and performance at work, it also gives a very significant boost to your CV. We all need to refresh our knowledge, and this is a mid-career knowledge refreshment for IFRS. It's not a very difficult exam. All it needs is like 160 to 180 hours of time. So if you can allocate something like 10 hours per week or maybe 30 to 40 hours per month, you can complete this preparation in 4 to 5 months. And most people, they do actually complete exam in 5 months time. Exam is taken twice a year. So it is in the first week of June and in the first week of December. And it's a 100 marks exam and 3 hours session where you have to score 50% marks, 4 questions of 25 marks each. I know that because I've been teaching this qualification, I can say that I'm one of the very first tutors who started teaching IFRS diploma, because it was introduced in 2004 and I started teaching in 2007, and since then I've been teaching students. I cannot count literally how many students I've taught. The number is in thousands of students. What I can say that currently there are 11,000 students who are registered, in more than 11,000 who are registered in our course of IFRS. It is, I think that it is one of the best seller courses on IFRS, on diploma in IFRS, with 4,000 reviews, 5-star reviews, 4,000 5-star reviews from, accounting and finance professionals from all over the world. Very comprehensive course with a lot of detailed explanation on IFRS standards, and with a lot of practice questions, exam practice questions, where I have explained how to do those questions. So if you begin now, if you join the course and you begin now, you can actually, and you commit to allocate 160 to 180 hours of effort, I think that you can get this diploma in next 6 months time, and it is going to be a very valuable addition on your CV. For more details on IFRS diploma, the eligibility, the exam structure, the syllabus, you can visit our website. Go to vls-online.com and go and see this diploma in IFRS page. You will get more details, exam preparation tips and techniques I have given there, syllabus areas I have explained, important syllabus areas I have explained, and you can also see the demo lectures, and you can see that how this course is conducted. So looking forward to see you in my group for next IFRS diploma session.